How to remove your debit card from PayPal. Removing a debit card from PayPal is fairly simple. Go to paypal.com, or you can also use the app. Make sure to log into your account. Right after you log in on the home page, you can see your current cards. Otherwise, you can go to the wallet option from the top of the navigation menu. From wallet, you can see the current card and the details of the card on the right hand side. Then what you want to do is, from the bottom of that option, one of those options will be remove card. So click on the remove card button. It will ask you, are you sure you want to remove it? Yes, of course. So click on confirm by clicking on the remove this card button. And when you have done that, you can click on the done button and you can see my card has been successfully removed. That way, I can remove my debit card from PayPal. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.